Hello everyone, myself Brij Mohan, working as science teacher in Government High School Sipriya, Block Hajipur, District Hoshiarpur. So today I have prepared a model to show the force acting on a current carrying conductor when placed in a magnetic field. This experiment was actually performed by Andre Marie Ampere. He found that when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. Let's see how it happens. To show all this, I have made a setup where one aluminum wire is taken as a conductor which is attached to the terminals of the battery eliminator with the help of the copper wire. And to produce the magnetic field, I have used this horseshoe type magnet. This end of the conductor is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the other end of the conductor is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So when I switch on the current, let's see what happens. We see that the conductor is moving outward direction when we switch on the current. Let's see it once again. So the movement of the conductor can be understood with the help of Fleming's left hand rule, which states that if we stretch the first three fingers of our left hand in such a way that this middle finger points towards the direction of the current and this first finger points towards the direction of the magnetic field, then this thumb will point towards the direction in which the conductor will experience a force. So in our setup, we check whether this happen or not. So current is passing in this conductor from this end to this end. So we bring our finger in the direction of the current. And the magnetic field in this setup is from north pole to the south pole, that is from the lower end of the magnet to the upper end of the magnet. So we bring this finger in the direction of the magnetic field, and our thumb is pointing towards the camera. It means this conductor should move towards the camera when we switch on the current, and it actually does. So it means the movement of the conductor can be understood with the help of the Fleming's left hand rule. The direction of the conductor, the movement of the conductor can be reversed if we reverse the direction of the current or reverse the direction of the magnetic field. Now this principle is used in various electrical appliances such as DC motor. So I have also prepared a model of simple DC motor where one circular coil is made up of insulated copper wire and its XLR fitted in safety pins, and it is kept under a magnetic field. To produce a magnetic field, I have taken this round magnet whose one end is north pole and the other end is south pole. So I kept this coil under the influence of magnetic field. When I switch on the current in the circuit, let's see what happens. So we see that the coil starts moving. It is moving because of Fleming's left hand rule, because of as the conductor is experiencing force when placed in a magnetic field, and when current is being passed through it, it experiences force due to which it starts moving. This is the principle which is used in the working of DC motor. Thank you very much.